Former President of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Dr. Manmohan Singh was the 14th Prime Minister of India. He was acclaimed thinker and scholar. He was born on 1932 in a village in the Punjab. He was finished his matriculation studies in a Punjab University in 1948. May 22, 2004 to May.
அனைவருக்கும் என் மதிய வணக்கம். என் பெயர் ஆமிதுரை. நான் 7ஆம் வகுப்பு இ பிரிவில் படிக்கின்றேன். இன்று நான் பேச வந்துள்ள தலைப்பு டாக்டர் அம்பேத்கரை பற்றி. 1947ஆம் ஆண்டு சுதந்திரத்திற்கு முன்பும் பின்பும் நவீன பாரதத்தை வழிவகுத்து தந்த மேதைகளில் இவரும் ஒருவர். துணிவு, திறமை, கல்வி என்பதற்கு இவர் ஒரு சிறந்த உதாரணம். உலக நாடுகளின் அனைத்து சட்ட தொகுப்புகளையும் ஆய்வு செய்து மிக சிறப்பான எல்லோருக்கும் ஏற்கத்தக்க ஒரு class 7. Today I am going to tell an interesting moral story. A glass of milk. A poor boy who was selling newspaper was very hungry. He knocked to the door to ask some food. A kind young girl gave him a large glass of milk. How much do I pay you? He asked. How? You don't pay to me anything. She replied. Years later, the girl became seriously ill. She was admitted to the hospital where the famous doctor treated her. After saving her life, doctor wrote something on hospital bill. She repaid his full of glass of milk. The doctor was the same boy. She returned to everyone. I am Kevin. I am studying statistics section. I am talking about you, Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was a great mathematician. He was born in 476 AD. His birthplace was Bihar, India. He wrote the book Aryabhatta. He gave the concept of zero. He explained the value of PIR. He said Earth rotates on its axis. He explained solar resonance. He contributed to algebra and trigonometry. He is called the father of. Good afternoon to everyone. Today I am going to talk about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta is the greatest mathematician in the Indian history of mathematics, and his contribution to the Indian mathematician and the world maths is very high. He invented the zero in the numerical order numbers. As he is the greatest of ever in the mathematician, and he was born in India. Good afternoon to all. I am P. Sahana from 7C. Today I am going to talk about astronaut Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams is an American astronaut of Indian origins. She has set several records for space flights and space. Good afternoon to all. My name is Ashwin. I am studying Sanskrit. Today I will talk about my favorite astronaut. My favorite astronaut is Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma was India's first astronaut. He was born on 13th January 1949. His father is Devendranath Sharma. His mother name is Ritvik Sharma. He has interested in science. Good afternoon everyone. I am India Ultra from 7th Street. Today I am talking about astronaut Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was a brave astronaut. He was born in India. Her birthplace was Karnal, Haryana. He rode in the space shuttle. He